Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. For today's video, it has been a very hot minute since I've unboxed a FabFitFun box, but they reached out to me and were like, Allie, can we send you our fall 2023 box? And I was like, sure, why not? Send it over. And well, this is how it arrived. It's like opened. I don't know what happened to my box, but you guys want to see what I got in the FabFitFun 2023 Fall Edition box. And if it's worth it, well then definitely keep watching. Oh, y'all, I have not unboxed a FabFitFun box in a very long time. The last time I unboxed a FabFitFun box, I think was in fall of 2021. Why I stopped getting it, I think it's because I didn't want to spend like the $250 to almost $300 for a yearly membership. I just find that to be like not worth it. And I think they were putting so many items in here that I just wasn't excited about. But they reached out to me a couple weeks ago and asked if I wanted to try out their fall 2023 box, and I said sure, why not. Now they did give me options to choose from, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I completely forgot what those options were. It was just one of those things that I quickly just fill out and make, yeah, sure, you, yes, you. I don't remember what I got. So we're going to see whether or not I think this box is worth it. Do you remember back in the day, I had a lot of fun with FabFitFun. I used to stand on the desk behind me and like show you guys like my socks or my shoes, or if I had blankets. Those are the good old days. Okay, let's not die. Okay, so it goes down to like right down here for you guys. I'm not going to lie. These are actually really comfy, and I feel like I'm about to do like a little like way they should fit snugly, but I'll tell you what. Oh my, I'm okay. Okay guys, so like I said, I did get to have full customization. I don't remember what I picked out versus what I could have got, so I'm gonna go back into my email and see what was the options. So the first thing we have is this candle from Free People. Now, I did not know that Free People had candles. I have shopped at Free People before because they do have a store over at Disney Springs. And I remember, I think it was like in 2019, I was obsessed with the Bella Twins. Bella Twins always talked about Free People. So I was like, oh my God, if the Bella Twins go to Free People, I go to Free People. So I remember I like walked in there and I bought a shirt that I still do have and I still do wear, but oh my God, it was like $75. I was like, I can go to Target, I can go to like Forever 21, I can go to different stores to find this exact shirt, but like at a third of the cost. So while it's beautiful, she's a little pricey, but I didn't know they had candles. So this is the 1809 Lodge candle in the scent Palo Santo and Patchouli. Oh my God, this smells so good. This smells like a spiced man. My husband will fight me for this. Not because it smells like a man, but because it kind of smells like a smoky, like a smoky fire, but with like spiciness to it. Oh my God, that smells so good. Oh my God, Allie, you have such good taste. I know. Thank you so much. Like, I appreciate that. Okay, so let's see what the other option would have been, because I know I had like different categories to choose from. So I picked this candle that retails for $40. I had a choice between a satin pillowcase, the Fairykai Super Strength Power Bond Mist, a Living Proof brush, a Euphoria blush, some earrings, and some dry shampoo. I think I picked the best choice. So here we have the Free People. I'll make sure I had the pictures underneath, but here we have the Free People candle. I think we're starting off really good. Alrighty, next I picked out, I guess, a little bag. Oh, I picked out a fanny pack. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, it's a really pretty color though. I do like the green. Wow, this is a huge ass fanny pack. Oh my God. All right, let's see. I had this choice. It was between this or the Verb Ghost Prep Heat Protectant. So I picked the fanny pack. This does retail for 1 month, and it comes with a free online class. What do you mean by the free online class? Like, what kind of class are we talking about? It's a fitness class. Oh, okay, sweet. I think I picked this out though so that if I, like, whenever I go to Disney, I normally wear my Loungefly bags, but I could just wear this instead, and it's a really, really cute color. I have not worn a fanny pack since the 90s. I'm so excited. Okay, that's exciting. Go, Allie. Next, I picked out a Glow Recipe. This is the Plump Pump Hyaluronic Serum. This is a deep hydration plus glow. So this right here retails for $45, and it was between this or a jump rope, an Alex and Ani bracelet, or a scarf or spice jars. I think I made the right choice for myself, only because I really wouldn't use the spice jars. It's too hot to wear a scarf. I don't really wear bracelets. My wrist is too small, and I don't need a jump rope because I just don't like jump roping. So I think I picked out the best one, and I actually think I have the serum. If I'm correct, this is what I have in my... Oh yeah, I actually use the serum every morning, so this is actually working out perfectly. Got a restock of the serum. Sweet. Next, I picked out a QCO. It's a QCO Somatology. This is the by Tanny Callie's Self-Care Hand and Body Wash. Now, why did I pick out an unforgivable curse? Let's see. So this retails for $33, and it's between this, salt and pepper shakers, Frank Body coffee scrub, or a shower steamer. I think I definitely know why I picked this one out. Let's see how this one smells. Smells like a mintiness, like a mint leaf. Not bad. This would definitely go into my guest bathroom, so that's exciting. Next, I got the Murad. This is the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. So it was between this or the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex, 2 different style blankets, a tote bag, and 2 different style wine glasses. So I definitely went for this because I do really care about having moisturized skin, especially because I do get so oily. This actually does retail for $79, and I actually have this moisturizer before. It was a really great moisturizer I did run out, so I definitely wanted to restock up. So I definitely think I picked the best choice for me, which I think is really nice. And then last but not least, I got a pair of socks. I guess we can never have this video without having a pair of socks. So this right here, this actually retails for $25. It's between this, Bomb Buds, whatever that is, and a Bouncing Wonder Eye Cream, First Aid Face Cleanser, or KVD Waterproof Tattoo Liner. So I went with the sock option. Classic Allie video, we have got to try. Oh dear God, these things are massive. All right, we gotta try these on. These are the over the knee socks. I didn't think these are gonna be so huge. This is probably the size of my leg. I need to show you guys these socks, but I'm not gonna stand at my desk because, well, she's too pretty to mess up and I will mess her up. But let me show you guys these socks. Okay. Look at how long these socks are. Like, what? What? I feel like all I need to be doing is being like, Professor, I got a D on my test. Like, what can I do to make it up to you? I'll do anything. I feel like I'm a schoolgirl. Like, what the heck? This is crazy. These are super long socks. I could have way too much fun with these socks. Okay, so overall we got 6 items. The retail value of this box is $262. If I paid this $60 for this, I'd actually be pretty happy. This is a seasonal box. This is not the membership box. If it was the annual membership box, I'd have 8 items, but I do have 6 items in here. And I really do like the fact that I was able to customize this box. Now, as a seasonal member, you do get 4 customizations. As an annual member, you do get all 8 customizations. So I think it's really cool how they're doing that. I think the other 2 items for seasonal is what the FabFitFun people pick for you. And I like how you do have a different mix of stuff. You can do some makeup, you could do some skincare, and you can do like some fitness, some lifestyle, some beauty. Like, I really like how it's definitely a range of products, and that's what I always found FabFitFun to be so different and so exciting for me, because you guys know that I do like monthly unboxings of like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and it's kind of nice to get items that are not just makeup related that I can generally use in my everyday life besides makeup, and I get so excited about that. So in this box, we got a pair of socks, we got 2 skincare products from brands I actually use, we have a body wash, an amazing smelling candle, and a really, really cute fanny pack. And I think this is a really fun box. Definitely think this is a really, really fun box. And I just wanted to thank FabFitFun for sending this my way. This was so cool. Now I don't have a discount code or anything. I believe like other content creators like Allie Glines or Jen Loves Reviews or Alexandria Ryan, I think they might have discount codes to save you guys $10 off your first box if you guys want to check those out. This is an annual box. You guys get 4 times a year. You guys get winter, fall, spring, and summer. And you guys can choose to either buy the box that you guys want or you guys can sign up annually. But I think it's just so much fun. It's been so long since we have unboxed a FabFitFun. Oh my God, like what a throwback. So FabFitFun, thank you so much for gifting this my way. That was incredibly sweet of you guys. Let me know down below, was there anything that I showed you guys that you guys are interested in? Do you guys still even get these boxes? Let me know down below. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already. So I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! I do remember back in the day having a lot of fun with FabFitFun. Why did I pick out a Harry Potter? Why did I pick out an Imperial? Why did I pick out? Oh my God, I need to show you guys these socks. But I'm not going to stand on my, but this is an annual box that comes every 4 months. But so let me know down, what a throwback. What a throwback.